Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about physics. So last session we saw about magnetization. Now we are going to learn about uses of magnets. Nowadays, magnets uses in many ways. Magnets are fun to play with. The unique properties of magnets have made them useful to humans for centuries. We use different objects with magnets in our day-to-day life. Magnets also play an important role in the field of technology. Devices like computers, medical diagnosis, and it is used in the maglev trains also. Maglev trains are high-speed trains that move with the help of strong electromagnets. These trains can quickly attain a speed of 300 km per hour and can easily reach up to a maximum speed of 600 km per hour. The property of attraction and repulsion of electromagnet is used in maglev trains to make them move very fast. Like poles of the magnets placed at the bottom of the train and on the track repel each other. This lifts the train slightly above the track, thus reducing the friction and enabling the train to move faster. The opposite poles of the magnets placed on the sides of the track and on the train attract and pull it forward when can control how the train moves by controlling the electric current. Maglev trains have several advantages over regular trains. So these trains to pull the train forward, thus they save on the burning of fossil fuels like diesel. Maglev train do not make much noise while moving, which causes no or little noise pollution. They offer a smoother ride as the train glides over the track with no friction from the ground. On the other hand, MRI scan center, they are using the electromagnets and lift the heavy objects, and also lot of things we are using in our daily life, which are the things are made up of magnetic materials, and these are attracted by magnet, and these are the things are used in our daily life, right? You are going to learn how to handling and storing magnets. Magnets may lose their magnetic properties if they are not handled or stored properly. The process of losing magnetic property is known as demagnetization. Some ways in which a magnet can become demagnetized are when we hammer or beat a magnet, otherwise drop a magnet from a height. A magnet loses its magnetism if it is heated above a certain temperature. Okay, so heated to very high temperature, it may be lost their magnetic strength. So it is also important to store them with care. Some ways to store magnets are: bar magnets should always be stored in pairs in a magnet holder with their opposite poles on the same side, separately by a piece of wood. A soft iron strip should always be placed across the ends of the bar magnets and horseshoe magnets in order to prevent demagnetization. Magnets should not be stored along with things such as steel pins, iron nails, and screwdrivers made from magnetic materials. Okay, so keep away from that. Magnets should be kept away from electrical and electronic equipment such as television, radio, DVD player, mobile phone. Okay, so this is because magnets can interfere with electronic signals and communications. So keep this keep this away from that. So these are the things of uses and properties of magnets. I hope you all understood this topic. Thank you.